y'all, and I am back with another video. Y'all, today is Babe's birthday. Big 23. What he come on, babe? So why you tell my age? Y'all, Babe's birthday. We finna get ready to go to the beach. We're gonna have some fun at the beach, and then later on we're gonna take him out for his birthday. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Anyway, we got matching swimsuits. We got matching swimsuits. And yeah, I don't know what time it is. Babe, what time is it? It's like almost 10. But everybody just getting ready to go and stuff. My dad just called me and told me that's what we just gonna do today. We're gonna go to the beach and stuff. So yeah, I'm finna get ready. I don't know, I may put on a little light makeup because I know I'm not getting in no water, and I'm gonna want to take some pictures at the beach. So I'm finna go ahead and start getting ready because I know I'm gonna take forever.
On the left side, far left.
Yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and fix my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face first. So y'all, I'm gonna take me some Elf and put this on my face. Let me find my other bag. I'm about to put some of this stuff in it. Oh no. These are, I found it, y'all. I put it in here. I was looking for my sunscreen for my face because I know how I get out here in this heat. Got to have it. And I'm probably gonna put this stuff into the sink until I need it. I don't want all this stuff sitting out like that. Well, finally. Okay. I think I'm gonna go in with this at the bottom of everything. You can't smell. Somebody got it.
Probably that. Coming from that shade bar.
Coming from where?
Shade bar.
Oh my show is. Think about that. How my face smell like marijuana. Yeah, I might have put too much.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I put too much. I put too much sunscreen on my face. Leave my face.
Bring that out there. Bring that bitch up and put me some.
No, this is my face though. We got sunscreen over there.
Okay.
Okay, y'all, let me turn it up here. Because we can't be having dark face or neck. Y'all, okay, y'all don't trust my brother. Because it's not looking hot right now. Now I'm going to get shea butter. Well, shea butter. Cooking up something. My shea butter, baby. On to the white hair, Mama. Well, you can see a little bit. Hey, ooh, I look dead. Ugh. My face like I got white cans to it though.
Yeah.
Anyways, had to go get my dogs.
Yeah, take that.
Tell you what. Okay, yeah. And I'm gonna put this in. Okay. Oh, this is not good. Oh, this is not good. Yeah, look on. I'm gonna wash my face off and start to go. That's what I'm gonna do. That's cause what the black people get. Yeah, I'm scratching my baby. I'm sorry, bro. You just slide it in from the side. Make sure it's like a white middle part. Yeah. I'll take. Yeah, I literally ain't even doing too much. I'm just gonna apply a little blush. You know, a little blush. You know, like a little blush. It's the only thing I really wear is a little blush. A little blush, pepper, a little blush. A little blush don't hurt. No, not up there. Down there. You know the title. Yeah. And that's enough blush. And we're going to highlights. And put that on a little highlight. Put my highlighter. Ooh. Oh. Hmm. Okay, here it is. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Brown, shimmy, shimmy. And my body could have been shimmering. It's my face so far, y'all. So far. I'm probably not gonna do no brows. I don't even feel like getting into all that. Just want a little cute little one too. Cute little one too. Put this around here. Okay. Come in highlight, not highlight, but lip line. You gotta look focus. Oh, I don't even think I got my lip gloss in here. Okay, I think that's good. That's good. For sure, I want some highlighter today. Yeah. No. Okay, that's. This is what my face is looking like so far. You got it?
No.
What are we trying to do now?
Shit.
Baby.
What?
Thank you for the compliment though.
Mm-hmm.
That's what happens when you have good skin. People think you got a whole lot of makeup. All I did was grease my face up, put a highlight and blush,
Makeup.
highlight and blush. Yeah, like I put on foundation. That's makeup. You don't like it.
See if it
Yeah, I think you got it the wrong way.
You see it.
I need to go ahead and finish. I gotta finish my hair. Well, not finish it like. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Need to do my edges because these things are crunchy. Not that I even know how to do edges. I'm gonna try because we gotta do something. Okay.
6 p.m.
What was that?
p.m.
And then
It ain't lying. You still can hear it?
yes,
You still can hear it?
I can hear it. Baby, you okay in there?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. They got the birthday boy messed up last night. Now his stomach messed up this morning. Yeah, I'm finna cook it. I ain't gonna play with nobody today. Not even my ears.
Where no money? Where no money at, babe?
She over there with my mama. Let me see y'all body this together. Put it on your face. And rub it in. Make sure you put it on your neck too, because you don't want your neck. Yeah, this is my final. Well, not my final look, but like they said, I should leave it poofy because it's cute poofy. I don't know. I still might wet this because the ends are like throwing me off. So
that's why
I still might wet it. I might just go and wet it because the ends are throwing me off.
They're just all over the
They're
place.
scraggly.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
But my neck will stay turning. Okay. Now you went in with the shea butter.
Not yet.
And then we're gonna spray the other one on when we get to my mama. Okay, y'all. I'm finna go put on my bathing suit and stuff. I'm probably gonna go with my hair too. And I'm gonna show y'all my final look. Just wait. Now this is my finished look. Everybody waiting on this, but I ended up with my hair anyways, but I think I'm just find some shoes, slide on. Now it is out to go. I'm about to leave the house. What? Yeah, we leaving now to go to the beach.
Oh, Lordy, give me a hug, guys.
Lord.
I give you a hug right here.
Hush sometime. Hush sometime. You know what I'm saying? I'm vlogging. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Oh, suck it now.
You need to shut and watch the road. Y'all, this a cute head. I'm finna stick in this.
Put that on tonight.
Look at that, I'm cute.
Nah, baby, you ain't gonna get too cute, because this gonna have to block my scent.
Mama said I ain't gonna get too cute. This is cute though, y'all. Alright, y'all. Guess we'll see. We gotta go by the store or anything.
Sit in here.
It's 12 o'clock. My show.
Sit in here.
Huh? What thing? Oh, I don't have it.
Here.
I didn't plan on getting like in the water like that.
I didn't either, just in case I don't want no sand to get in my phone.
Can y'all?
Put a lid in
This
your
probably
truck.
like I'm gonna see y'all back when we make it to the beach.
Shoot.
I think we're going to Clearwater.
You can't get up. What you
I
trying to
made
do?
that cooler and flipped over.
Yeah. We done stopped at the store. Let me get out. Let me just get out. Now this is like 2 hours. Almost 3 hours to get to the beach because of traffic. Look at those.
Now where's my phone?
Yeah, we done made it to the beach.
I've been ready to hit the
We getting the bags and stuff ready. I'm trying to see what all I'm gonna put in my bag.
My toe cute.
Take up in there.
That's why you almost failed.
So I'm gonna grab Lonnie some extra clothes. Yeah, pass me like 2.
What's happening to the cute self?
And this is her clothes I'm gonna put on.
What you not five down? You gonna be jumping off right now? Come on, girl. Don't start that. I ain't took a lick yet. Hand my high five. That's what I thought my girl.
Something's missing. What my? What my pink thing that was on it? My Victoria's Secret thing.
You gotta look at it. Now, it's real late. You gotta take half what you gonna take from the 7. So now you gotta come and flip 3 hours.
Shut up. I'm sorry.
Oh no, you got it.
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all back on the beach. We made it to the beach. We forgot our chairs. You know, we just standing. But yeah, there's a lot of moss out here.
Put it back in there.
No, I'm okay. Now let's walk to the water. Baby. Dang, I was finna ask you to walk to the water with me. And ask you to walk. Well, you got on them socks. Your baby wants you. He said, I will go to the toy shop. You get the water? Hey, come on. Come on. Let's walk to the water. Walk to the water. Y'all, it's so beautiful. Family and everything. Looks nice and stuff. I gotta be careful with my camera. I can't get it wet. But yeah, y'all. Get my feet in the water. Ooh, that water is cold. Wow. Look at Kai. Look at Kai. Look, go Granddad. I ain't coming too far. I ain't coming too far. I got my camera stuff in my hand. I don't want to fall. Y'all, this is my family. Ooh, y'all. Look. Good, buddy. Look at my dad and Lonnie. She don't want to get in the water. She don't want to get in the water. What? Did I? Hi. We are here at the beach. They go, babe. We found the game on us. Got them flat. Living. It is cold. Now I don't want to get Look at Kai. Kai, you having fun? Kai.
You having fun?
Yeah. Definitely.
That's like
Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. I'm gonna enjoy the scenery and everything. Excuse me now. Yeah, we done left the beach and my head just tore off the slide. I'm just ready to get back to the house and get a shower. So that's what we're gonna do. My hair probably all messed up and everything. It's just sand everywhere and it's just but yeah, y'all, it was fun though. We had fun. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all, babe, when I get to the house and get a shower and just get comfortable. Yeah. I look a hot mess, but I'm decorating the room for Tank while he's somewhere downstairs. So far, I got the I Heart You up, and I got some balloons blowed up on the floor already. Just close that. But yeah, this is what I got so far. I gotta get the rest of the stuff off the bed because I'm gonna put the petals and stuff on the bed. But this is how the balloons look. Oh, this is all the balloons, whatever. But yeah, let me just. I'm gonna sit y'all so y'all can watch me. Okay, say hey to the vlog. Hey vlog. Yeah. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this 23 at. Okay. I'm gonna just go ahead and go. Who's that?
Oh, you know.
Why? Okay. Stuff. Look at he hold on. I hope I did good. I tried, y'all. I tried. My baby turned 23. And my heart won't stay up, so he gonna hold it. And you just fell. Babe, you like it? Mm-hmm. You like it?
Babe, why you? That's my head, babe.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah.
Okay. Wait, put it back up so I can take a picture for my thumbnail. Y'all, it's the next day, and last night was pretty bad. Pretty bad. It was supposed to be his birthday turn up, and I wasted. It's just bad. Like, they had the Caribbean in the house and all, like, it was just terrible. I was throwing up everywhere. And this dude, babe.
Huh? Yeah, she wild. Had to carry her big self.
I'm not big. But yeah, I'ma end this vlog here. I got like 2 videos that I need to edit now, and I ain't started on neither one, so I think I'm gonna start working on it in just a second. But yeah, y'all, that's the tea. I got drunk and I was gone. Yeah, like today we supposed to be cooking out on the grill and stuff, so I'ma just chill out and stuff. Probably get in the pool today. But yeah, that's all, y'all. And that's all, folks. That's all, folks.
That's all, folks.